Is your garage door really in need of an upgrade? Don't wait, Adams Garage Doors LLC is ready to provide quick, efficient, and high-quality garage door opener installation. Their skilled technicians work fast without compromising on safety or quality. They offer affordable, dependable service that ensures your home stays secure. Every installation is done with precision, using the best quality materials available. Don't let a broken garage door affect your security. Call them now to book your service and enjoy peace of mind. Browse AdamsGarageDoorsLLC.com for more information.